when Buck Rogers woke up from 500 years of suspended animation and he saw Wilma looking all fine in her, you could call it military outfit or space outfit. The first words out of his mouth were, "What the f?" What's up? Gears of Snore. Going to the market today to get some breakfast, meet some friends. I've realized I've been here a bunch of times and I haven't filmed the food there. It's actually quite good. So yeah, I'm gonna head up there and meet a couple guys, and one guy bailed because, you know, he was slacking all weekend and he didn't put the firewood away. For shame on you, sir, for shame. But you should do good because I know you love handling the wood. It's close to 60 degrees. Another beautiful weekend day. It's going to be 70. I'm out on the love of my life here, Big Sheila. Say what's up, girl.
If you love me, bitch, why was I in the cold garage last night?
All right. I'll bring you in the friggin' house for the winter. Stop giving me a hard friggin' time. Oh my God, I love motorcycle. Ordering my snow pants today. Thank you for the link, Nico. He had these snow pants, and we rode to Marley's last December. It was like high 40s, and you know, he's got nothing to keep the wind off his legs, and he's like, yeah, I was perfectly warm the whole time. And he showed me another jacket he got today, same thing, no air was getting through. So I'm gonna take the man's advice and get some. We'll try our luck with old Interstate 95. If you like my videos, if you could give it a thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. Actually, let me put the address for the market here in the left-hand corner of the screen. They do bikes and breakfast here, first Sunday of the month, all year. And there are people here all year unless there's snow on the ground or ice. It gets a huge turnout. You're also going to see a lot of the spandex Spartans. It seems to be a breeding ground for them. 9,000 RPM, huh? Slow driving minivan, huh? Car's creeping up my ass and I'm going 80, huh? I'm gonna slow down because this dude's gonna just cut over. And the Honda Accord's off to get him. If you want to know why your insurance rates are so high in Jersey, there's a prime example. Now I've got a Nissan in my rear view here. Oh good, it got over. You see Nissan, you move. Especially if it's an Ultima, loud muffler, different colored body parts, or just missing parts, you know, a chunk of bumper missing, like Bigfoot just walked up and chewed a piece off because he's hungry. I do love me some motorcycles. Just hit 142 subscribers. How friggin' cool is that? Like this is this bike's sweet spot, 75, 80, it's just low RPM. She's just a happy gal, ain't you? The heated grips are getting a little too hot. I have them on the lowest setting too. I think we'll turn them off now. Mandatory nose itch, check. all seriousness, guys, I do need to talk to you about an important issue that a lot of motorcycle riders are struggling with now. That issue is not having fog lights on their motorcycle. Right now out there's tens of thousands of Rays and Yannis. They're riding around without fog lights, not being able to see as well as they should be able to. And for just 99 cents a day, you can help get some of these fog lights into caring homes and on motorcycles where they'll light up the road better than stock headlights. If you have any extra money, would you please consider donating? Please, let's get these fog lights home and loved. In the arms of an angel, fly away. Fly away, little birdie. Chirp, chirp. What's up, boss? Oh my God, he had a t-shirt on. You're the man, dude. I'm freezing. I got a jacket on. Yeah, we're on lovely Route 9W now, and I've had one cup of coffee, so if you think this is bad, oh, don't mind me. Wait till you hear the going home video. I'm gonna be wired. You are making me nervous. I do love me some 9W. We just passed a place, I think it's called the Bicycle Club. I remember going there years ago, man. It was a good place to eat. I wonder if it's still good. Put it on the list. See, this is some bullshit right here. I think the worst, man, I forgot where we were. We were in upstate New York. These dudes were riding in traffic, like 6 of them holding up traffic, flipping people off like they were a friggin' gang or some shit. Guys, I may not be the, sharpest knife in the drawer, but cars do tend to hurt, and if you piss people off, well, you piss off the wrong one, and they use that car as a weapon to hurt you. It's not right. I don't condone it by any means, but road rage is a real thing, and there are some special people in the world. Ask me how I know. I was married once. Run that light, boy. You get your ass back here. You wait like the rest of us. Come on, Acura. All that money for an expensive performance-driven SUV, and I don't even think he's like maybe a quarter into the gas pedal. Come on, brah. There's coffee to be drank. How dope is that? What is that, a 944? Not the, what was the one, the 928 with the round pop-up lights? I think that had an 8 in. Man, that friggin' Porsche is sexy. You know what? Let's do a topic for this video. What's your other mode of transportation? Me? I drive a stick shift Subaru Crosstrek 2021. Wanted to buy a Tacoma with the 4-cylinder in it, but that was a year into COVID, and this was the only buy I could get that I could get at MSRP because it was stick, and I'm like, nobody's gonna buy this. Nobody. And most of my vehicles have been stick or manual transmission. I will tell you, I've been in the 2-liter with the slush box, the CVT, and at least with my car, I know if I keep the revs at 3 p.m., it's just gonna pull. And it makes it a lot of fun to drive, believe it or not. Not in stop and go traffic though. That's when I actually hate life. But I do want to get something with a automatic. I really do like that believe it or not, the Hyundai Santa Cruz, and now that they got rid of the DCT for 2026, I'm like, I tell you, in America, we miss out on some cool cars, man. Overseas, you see like a lot of cool cars. And, you know, a lot of people drive stick over there because gas or petrol is so expensive. Man, this damn road is littered with them today. Yeah, check it out. The leaves are changing. It's nice up here. Like I said, 9W in itself is a really nice ride. You ride this all the way up to Storm King Highway. You can look on Facebook. It'll tell you if it's open or closed. I think it's called Status of Storm King or something. Yeah, we're a couple minutes out from the market. Starving, so I'm definitely looking forward to some food. They have all sorts of stuff you can buy here too. You can buy microbrewery beer. You can buy. They have the best sangria I think I've ever had. Here's a tip too: if you buy the sangria here, take it home, add a little seltzer to it. Gives it a nice little, almost like a kick. Make it like a spritzer. It's freaking good. I've had the. I think my favorite is the spiced pear. Can't go wrong with any of them. You can buy meats like hot dogs, sausage, a couple other things there, and then they have like pastries, muffins. They're all friggin' great. What's going on here? Oh, I was like, why does he have that brace to keep the bike upright and he's walking? And I didn't realize he's holding a woman. Maybe I do need a second cup of coffee. If you make a left at this light, there's a post office. Only one person works there. They close for when the dude or the woman goes on lunch. It's wild. It's like the world's smallest post office. Alright, we're almost here. I'm early. I was supposed to be here for 10. It's 9:40. Oof. Oof. Respectful. Oh, no, they're here. There's a lot of people here. What the hell? Look at that. Look at all these bikes. Holy crap. Guess everybody else had the same idea too, huh?
So what I learned is that the brake lever does not work on short circuit.
All right, I'm leaving the market. Got Big Sheila in sport mode. Oh, Jesus. This motor is responsive enough as it is, but yeah. Oh my God, I love this thing. Yeah, like I said, just leaving the market. Met some people from work, and I had the first time I ever had it there, the breakfast wrap. Oh my God, was it good. Like I ate both pieces. I had to like force the other one in. All right, let's boogie. Oh my God, this guy's either got a bad brake light switch or he's driving with both feet. But yeah, man, I tell you, the food is always good at the market. Whether you get the sandwiches, the prepared food, the wraps, the desserts, coffee, always good. And like I said, they sell sangria, they sell microbreweries there. Right next door is the filling station. You can get burgers, dogs, anything you can think of. All fantastic. The market is worth a trip. The market is in Palisades, New York. It's on Route 9W North. I will leave all the info in the description, and it was up on the left-hand side of the screen before. But this, even if you're not going for bikes and breakfast, there's always motorcycles there. There's always Spandex Spartans there. If you've never been here before, go check it out. And on that note, welcome to New Jersey. Thank you for watching. Drop my videos every Wednesday and Friday at around 3 p.m.-ish. That schedule is going to change next year. Next year would be season 3 of the Gears of Snore show. As usual, I thank you guys for coming along for the ride, and I hope you'll come back next week and give up some of your free time to watch a video or two. Appreciate you guys.